Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Hima and today's video is on manuscript review and submission process. And in this video, I'll be telling you about what happens once you submit the manuscript to the journal. I'll also explain you what is the review and the submission process. There are three key people that are involved in the manuscript review and submission process. And the first one is the author. That will be you, whoever is submitting the paper. And then it's the editor. Everything will first go to the editor. Editors will then have their own criteria where they qualify or disqualify a paper, and then the editor sends those papers to reviewers. Reviewers will then review the paper and they give the final go or no go decision, and they'll send their feedback to the editors, and the editors will then communicate back with the author. So the first interaction in here is the author or the principal investigator with the editor. So before submitting the paper has to be reviewed by the PI as well as all the co-authors. Once the draft is finalized, only then it gets sent to the journal. Before you send the paper to the journal, there are a few things that you have to look into. First thing is you have to find if it's the appropriate journal or not. And once you choose the right journal for your work, then you go to instructions to the authors section on the journal's website. You have to arrange your manuscript based on the format of the journal, and usually most often the common format is first the title and then affiliations, and then the abstract, then your introduction, then the materials and methods, followed by results and then discussion. So then what does the editor do? The editor verifies for various criteria. They want to see if the paper is submitted per the journal's criteria. They want to review it for accuracy, see if the study is novel, if the quality is good, is the data original, and then they're going to hunt for the reviewers whom they want to submit it for review. And usually most journals have at least 2 reviewers. So what do reviewers do? Reviewers do pretty much what the editor does as well, but apart from this, they do a couple of other things. So they make sure that the methods used are appropriate for the study and that the findings are significant, and they'll provide the feedback to the editor. And usually feedback is given in 3 formats. Either you approve it, you reject it, or you revise. If they send back for revision, it can be for a minor revision or a major revision. Minor revision can just be typos and something that can be done quickly, but major revisions are usually asking for more experiments, asking for more data. In a few cases, they can also ask you to repeat some of the studies. So that is it, guys. This is a very high level overview of what happens in the manuscript review and submission process. If you have any questions on the process, leave your comments below. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions on if you should or should not do PhD, then do check my previous video on this topic.